Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of Open Up the Heavens by either Vertical Worship or Meredith Andrews. My name is Mandy, and I am so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to helping you use sign language in order to worship God. So today we are learning the chorus of Open Up the Heavens. But first, housekeeping. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you are going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website signlanguageworship.com. Okay, day 2, we're learning the chorus. So it starts with Open Up the Heavens. Okay, so for this one, you imagine it's almost like a book. Open. Okay, open. So your hands are like this, and then you're pulling them apart. Open. Open up the heavens. So for heavens, you kind of roll your hands up, and then heavens. 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 Open up the heavens. We, remember for that from yesterday, we want, and then see you. So for this, you're going to kind of mimic your sight line. We want to, and we're going to go towards heaven, right? Because we want to see God in heaven. Okay, let's try that line again. Open up the heavens. We want to see you. The next line. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river. So open again, open, and then floodgates. So for floodgates, we're actually going to drop the gates because that makes it really, really busy. And we're just going to do open up a flood, okay? So open and then flood, water filling up, okay? Water filling up. If you're really ambitious and want to do floodgates, water filling up, gates, okay? Water filling up, gates, or just water filling up. Okay, so open up the floodgates, a mighty river. So mighty, right? Just like strong, mighty, and then river, water, and then show the path, the stream, okay? River, river. Okay, let's try that from the top. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river, and then flowing. So for flowing, you're just kind of, once again, imagining your hands are kind of showing the water moving down the stream, okay? Flowing. Flowing, and then from, you have your non-dominant hand out like this, and with your dominant hand, you have your index out and kind of bent from, okay? So flowing from your, pointing to God in heaven, or open hand is fine, your heart, and then filling every part of our praise. We're going to say filling all our praise. So here you have a cup, and you want to show that the liquid levels are going up. Filling, okay? Filling all. So you start here with your non-dominant hand facing your body, your dominant hand facing out, and you go around. All. Our, making a U from your dominant shoulder to your non-dominant shoulder. And then praise is clapping towards heaven. Okay, that's the chorus. We're going to run through it a few times together, okay? Open up the heavens. We want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. Okay, let's do that again. Open up the heavens. We want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Let's just do it one more time because it's so awesome, okay? Open up the heavens. We want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river, flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. Okay, and that is the chorus, everyone. We sing the chorus a lot, or sign the chorus a lot in this song, so you want to get really familiar and comfortable with it. So practice as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, you can move on to the next video. Tomorrow we'll be learning how to sign verse 2 of Open Up the Heavens. Hope to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.